Okay, I'm gonna do a fast video here for my viewers who are interested in farm work and machinery and stuff like that. I'm driving on a Fendt 828. The year is 2012, and I have a Samsung PG 25 cubic meter slurry tank with a 16 meter ramp. I'm driving on maize or corn or whatever you want to call it for cattle feed. I'm putting out 60 tons per acre. I got a GPS. This is the tractor computer where I can set the speed. It's a hell of a tractor. It's a tractor in a class by its own. I like Ferguson's and I like John Deere, but Fendt is in a class by its own. Yeah, so this is what I do now. I haven't time. I got to drive 14 hour days, 7 days a week, so I haven't time for making knives. But next week I'm going for a trip to Austria to work. I'm going to teach pistol shooting with one hand. If you got your arms damaged in a fight or got shot in the arms, you can use your handgun anyway. So that's up next week. But yeah, I'm coming at the end of the field, so bye.